Sometimes mothers face pressure and difficulties when it comes to breastfeeding their baby. At Marcus & Marcus, we want to encourage and empower mothers on their breastfeeding journey. Winner of the 2022 IF Design Award, our silicone-angled feeding bottle is designed to be an easy system for expressing, feeding and storing breast milk. Our easy-to-use, all-in-one system helps busy mothers save time and money. The 4 stages of attachments are compatible to support your baby's growing needs all through their feeding milestones. The pump and bottle attachments are designed to support breastfeeding mothers by allowing them to express and feed directly from the same bottle. When your little one moves onto solid foods, you can keep using the same bottle with the dispensing spoon attachment for easy, mess-free mealtimes. The included cap and cleaning brush makes storage and cleanup a breeze. Our bottle is designed with an angle for an ergonomic grip and promotes upright feeding, while the side of the bottle features volumetric markings to show liquid volume without having to unlatch. We believe in creating sustainable products that are made with love to grow with you. Pumping, storing, and feeding from the same bottle creates less waste and burden on the environment. Our multi-purpose bottle system simplifies your breastfeeding journey and ensures feeding time can be anytime, anywhere, and at any stage of your baby's infancy. Intuitively designed to support mothers and their babies, Marcus & Marcus strives to help mothers around the world carry on the treasured experience of breastfeeding for as long as they wish to.